When people think about the construction industry, they often picture hard hats, heavy lifting, and a lifetime supply of ibuprofen, right? But what if I told you that it doesn't have to be that way? The construction industry is booming, and it needs the energy, creativity, and skills of the younger generation. But here's the thing. We're not just building skyscrapers and bridges, we're building careers that can stand the test of time. Sure, working in construction can be tough on the body, but it's also an opportunity to prioritize your health and fitness like never before. Think of it as training for a marathon. Only the marathon is your career, and your finish line is a long, healthy life. Plus, who needs a gym membership when your workout is literally your work? Squatting with steel beams, carrying bags of cement, it's like CrossFit, but with paychecks. Seriously though, by adopting healthy habits, proper lifting techniques, and investing in your fitness, you can avoid those common aches and pains. The construction industry is evolving, and so should you. Embrace new technology, take advantage of ergonomic tools, and don't forget to stretch. The future of construction isn't just in the hands of seasoned pros, it's in your hands. Build a career that's as strong as the structures you create, and remember, a healthy builder is a happy builder. Let's lay the foundation for a better, healthier future together.